Thank you very much. Okay, so yesterday during rehearsal, I forgot to change all of my slides. I will apologize for that in advance. So I'm going to try this right now, because last year I stood on this stage and I talked to you about how population density, aging infrastructure was really harming the power quality available in North America. Based on the volumes of phone calls we have received at RoseWater in the past year, I would say I severely underestimated how rapidly power quality is diminishing. And of course, as our clients demand more sophisticated security, control, and entertainment systems, the effects of poor power quality become far more apparent and far more inconvenient. The manifestation of those problems are equipment reliability, equipment failure, but most importantly, it is a lack of trust. What happens when power quality problems affect performance of our equipment? Clients rarely blame the utility. They blame us or the equipment we recommend. So it is that lack of trust your single most valuable commodity, that is put at risk. So what can you do about it? Well, for long duration outages, you can use a generator or a large bank of batteries with a renewable energy source to recharge them. Unfortunately, these products do not, I repeat, do not improve power quality. They do not prevent sags or surges. So if you are going to try and improve power quality, you have to go down the road of a high quality UPS. And you have to be aware that not all UPSs are created equally. If a UPS has a transfer time, it is not, I repeat, it is not improving your power quality. Transfer times in a UPS should be 0, and a high quality UPS is called a double or dual conversion device. Unfortunately, UPSs usually come with battery backup times that are measured in minutes, not in hours or days. So what is left for you to do is either combine these products, generator, large bank of batteries with a UPS, which will generally result in a hodgepodge of products that have multiple points of failure and require maintenance. Or, this is where my commercial begins, you can choose the most complete energy management solution available today. This is the RoseWater SB20. It has 0 transfer time UPSs, ultra low noise, ultra low distortion, high capacity battery backup, solar renewable integration built in, and it is built to mission critical standards. It is, I will repeat this, the most complete energy management solution available, and at RoseWater, we like to say, RoseWater, it is simply the best. Thank you for your time and attention.
As we see theaters, some of these stereo audio systems, those amplifiers, they work against conventional UPSs where they need that surge. They really need that spike. Will your system handle that and understand that that's happening?
Our system is connected at the panel level. It will handle a full 200 amp panel. And if you put this into a high quality audio system, I guarantee you the sound quality will improve. I've heard it myself many, many times.
Will the system give you more electricity, or is the system going to try to maintain?
The system cannot provide more than 20 kilowatts because that's its maximum. But you're never going to draw that. It's 20,000 watts.
So the spike will cause a trip?
The reason that happens is all the inputs, regardless of where they come from, are converted to DC. My batteries are always supplying the inverters. They will never allow a spike or a sag to pass. It's not possible.
Is your battery allowed in a New York high-rise?
Yes, it's a lead acid perfectly recyclable battery. We're putting one in a high-rise actually on Monday.
New York?
New York City. It's going on the roof. Yeah.
You'd be the only one, because I know there's other manufacturers.
No, because we don't have lithium batteries, we're perfectly safe. But the installation starts Monday morning. My team will get there.
So they gas out, the batteries gas out?
No, they won't outgas at all. They're perfectly safe. They are very sealed batteries. If you heat them up past 130, they will slowly outgas. But you got to really heat them up. Yes, sir.
Hi, 2 questions. Will
Try
this
for 2 answers.
Got it. What's the capital of Wyoming? No, kidding.
You only get one more question mark.
Yeah, I blew the first one. Will that also take care of the rest of the home, not just the AV and control equipment? Question 1.
Yep.
And what are the price ranges?
Okay, so first question. We back up a 200 amp panel, 83 amps a leg. If the load does not exceed that, it will back it up. If you have an air conditioner with particularly an older air conditioner or heater that hit what is called an inrush current that exceeds it, that will be problematic. This device can run at 110% of rated all day, and for short cycles can run at 150% of rated. What you're really going to compromise is runtime. You may have to add more batteries. So the answer is, if it's in a 200 amp panel, we can handle it. And then, do you still want to know the capital of Wyoming, or is there another question? Oh, price point. The hardware is $70,000, and then there's installation and freight on top of it. We do the installation. We send out our guys. There has to be an electrician on site, and we direct them to do the hookup, and then we tell them they can go home. But we do all the commissioning on site. Our teams come out.
Is the 70,000 including install? Or is that on top of it?
Install and freight are on top.
Got it.
When an electrical designer or somebody who works in the commercial world sees that device and they see our price, it has been a 100% response. How do I do it so cheaply? It is this truly is the single best residential device available.
Margin for dealers.
About 30 points. And we do the install.
Are the prices advertised?
No.
Can I push 30 points and tell you to charge more?
Say that again.
Who says the price? Do you have to give me invoice, or do I take in your invoice and I can say whatever I want?
You do what you want. I don't really care.
So I can
As long
invoice
as you
them
write me
directly.
the check, I'm very happy.
Very good.
And the price varies because you have, install varies from place to place what you might want to charge. It's not a simple conversation. I can tell you what dealers do all over the country.
All right. So that was RoseWater Energy Group. Joe Piccirilli, thank you.
Thank you.